everybody, I'm Zack.
I'm John Jones.
This is Jones Productions, and this is behind the scenes on all special makeup effects we do.
Let's have a look.
So this is alginate that I'm using, which is only usable one time. Once you use it once and you cast it, it's pretty much a throwaway mold. Here I am applying the alginate, and like I said, you only have 5 minutes to work with it until it starts to cure.
You gotta be quick.
So I left the nose holes open so John could breathe. Here you see me applying cotton balls while it's still wet, and this helps the plastic bandages here as best as I can.
It helps it mold it to my face.
And you basically want to make this shell so that way when you cast it in the alginate, it doesn't want to flop over, because alginate's very rubbery and it has, if you don't have a shell on it, it's just going to fall over.
At first I was a little worried it was going to get stuck in my eyes and or my eyelids, but it actually came off like butter.
In order for not to get the alginate to stick, you have to put Vaseline on all the hair, so obviously it's going to stick if you don't. Which would have used Monster Latex because it's way thicker consistency. And here you see me putting baby powder on, so when we do remove it, it doesn't stick to itself. It's going to be a total waste of cast and it'll start completely over because you can only use this one time. And here is the finished.
That's a good looking mug.
Here's the finished mask that I made.
Now we gotta put that on my face and rip it off.
Okay, so here you see all my tools and stuff that I like to use. This is Ben Nye. It's a realistic, like, sculpting wax, and the more detail you add to it, obviously the more realistic it's going to look. So just to apply this actually took me about 2 hours, I think, or close. And here you can see it getting more realistic with more blood tones and skin tones you put on it. This is obviously to make it look like you just got beat to death with a bat, you know, with nails in it, so...
Yeah, it turns out that...
turns out that John Wayne had this stupid-ass fake eye.
I like the eye. The eyes come out when you get beat in the head. I like the eye.
That was it? Thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy New Year.